we came out to check on our caterpillar that we caught in our community garden the other day. And what we ended up finding this morning was our caterpillar with all these little wriggling, like baby caterpillars on them. And we thought to ourselves, was this normal? No, it couldn't. We didn't think it was going to be normal because a butterfly lays its eggs on leaves and then they hatch, turning into baby caterpillars. So we didn't know why this caterpillar had all these little wriggly things all over him. So we looked it up, and what we found out was that these are baby wasp larvae. So what happens is, look at them all wriggling. They're creating their cocoons currently. What happens is that a wasp comes along, a particular kind of wasp, I can't pronounce its name, sorry, comes along and the female lays its eggs inside of the caterpillar, and then the caterpillar does all the hard work, goes and finds food and nutrients, and then the larvae hatch and drink all of the fluids inside of the caterpillar. And then when they're big enough and they're full enough, they bite through the caterpillar's skin, all whilst the caterpillar's alive, and they use mind control to keep the caterpillar thinking that it needs to look after them. So it becomes a kind of bodyguard. And so once they break through the skin, they create what you can see here, the fluffy white stuff is their cocoons. So they're creating their cocoons. And then when they're ready, they'll hatch and then they'll fly away. And only when they hatch and they fly away from this stage will the caterpillar die. And it'll actually end up looking like a dried up
leaf.
Like a dried up leaf, yeah, very dry because they're sucking all of the juices out of it. Now the kind of wasp that it is, and I'll try to pronounce it, it is called a Glyptapanteles. So Glyptapanteles, that's it, Alaska. So this is Alaska's bug catcher, and this is what we found. Now there's no saving him once this has happened because they've been growing in him for a long time. And there's nothing we can do for him. So we're just going to take him outside in the backyard, and we're going to let them finish what they've started to do. But it was a very interesting study learning about this, wasn't it, Alaska?
Yes.
Yes. So that's the end of this video. I hope you all learnt something today. Do you remember what the name of it was? A Glyptapanteles.
Glyptapanteles.
That's the kind of wasp that lays its eggs inside of a caterpillar, and then its babies take control.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.